Hi, good day. Osaid is here from Busyman. Today we got this Porter double cab model 2000. Let's take a look at this car and show you everything. First look here, looks pretty okay. Let's take a full look, 360 degree. A little bit of rust, but for a 2000 model vehicle, I think this is a very good car. It's in a very good condition. Okay, here now we check the doors. I think they're in a very good condition. No rust here. This door here, the opposite side as well. Also check here. Let's check the engine. Alright, so here I open the engine room. Take a deep look here. The engine is running. Sounds normal. The circulation is also normal here. Try to open this one. Everything looks perfect. No smoke. Okay, this is inside the vehicle right now. Let's start it on. Okay, as you can see, lights are on. Let's start the engine. Lights are gone. Engine started very smoothly and easily. Okay, and let's try to accelerate and see the RPMs, the RPM movement. Okay. It goes up very smoothly and fast. One more time. Can you hear the engine sound? It sounds very good. Check out from here as well. 1, 2, 3. Brakes are good. Clutch is good. Okay, let's check the windows. Electric. Perfect. Let's check the other one. Perfect. What else can we check here? Let's check the audio.
만년일 수도 있겠죠? 네, 그렇습니다. 네. 1067이요? 제가 원래 좋아해요.
Okay, so it works perfectly.
춤추고 있으면 신랑이 꼭 한마디를 하죠. 마이 못다 아이가.
명대사 따라하기 당연 원톱은 해바라기 김래원의 그래요.
So yeah, the speakers are... sorry. So yeah, the speakers are very clear. Radio works perfectly. Let's try the AC. Switch that fan on. Whoa. It was so dusty, but as you can see, the wind goes very, very strong. AC works perfectly. Yep. It was a bit dusty though. So this is the car from inside. Needs a bit of cleaning. It will look very new and shiny. But yeah, mine is also good. Let's check it from the back. It's dirty, but you can clean that. Not a big deal. Yeah, so this should be all.
Esta es busyman.kr, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
Thank you for watching. This is the end of the review for this Porter Model 2000 double cab. As you've seen, the car is in a very good condition. Needs a bit of cleaning, but engine is perfect. Everything else is very good, works just fine. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us out at busyman.kr. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber.